First line. Good morning to all respected teachers and my dear friends. Second line. Today we are gathered here to celebrate the Republic Day of India. Third line. Republic Day is celebrated every year on the 26th of January. Fourth line. On this day in 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. Fifth line. It made India a sovereign, democratic, and republic nation. Sixth line. We remember and honor the great leaders who shaped our Constitution. Seventh line. Republic Day teaches us the values of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Eighth line. The Grand Parade in New Delhi shows the unity and strength of our country. Ninth line. We should always respect our Constitution and follow its rules. 10th line. Let us promise to be responsible citizens and work for a better India. Thank you. Jai Hind.